Alrighty, so we're back in Matt's car. First time riding it.
Let's get it.
Third video, gonna be like in a billion videos at this point. So it's pretty sorted out, got a new exhaust.
They don't even know about that yet. Yeah, I got a new exhaust, y'all.
It's custom, fully custom, because you fancy.
Custom, yeah, we fancy like that.
Damn, so this is running the same tune since the last time, or
Yep,
what?
Still the same tune, same everything, just went ahead and got a custom exhaust from Godzilla Raceworks.
Dude, why the fuck? Your car still smells new, man.
I rarely drive it.
I'm like, my car smells different, man.
Shit, yeah, the new exhaust is nice. It doesn't really drone ever. This is like normal, whatever, no nothing. Just
Dude, this sounds nice, man.
it doesn't. It sounds like a regular car. Just
Yeah.
a little bit louder, like a car with like a little bit louder exhaust, but other than that, it's no drone whatsoever. Before, when I had the Boost Logic, I loved it, but
Yeah.
I low-key got a headache if I drove it for a little too long.
No, this sounds good because like the muffler is bigger, so it sounds more refined.
It sounds deeper too.
I feel like I'm gonna shit my pants, dude.
Nah, you shouldn't be. We'll do a 60. You want to start from 40, like a 40 roll, and then we'll try 60 roll.
Yeah, we can do that.
We'll do like multiple.
How many pounds are you running on the what's it called? The tires right now?
I don't know. Honestly, it says I have no air. No TPMS sensor.
No TPMS?
No TPMS.
Yeah. Dude, it sounds good, man.
Thank you.
Like it's smooth. It sounds like tunery.
Yeah, it's not as raspy as the Boost Logic.
No, not at all, dude.
Yeah, like Boost Logic, I liked it. It was really loud, so it sounded cool. It kind of sounded like exotic, but it's just really, really raspy.
Yeah, and then you can just go straight. Dude, it's kind of good. Like, yeah, the straight 6 sound like comes out more.
Instead of, I'm not gonna lie, it sounded kind of like when I had the Boost Logic, I felt like it was just an extremely loud V6 sounding exhaust because of how raspy it was.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially whenever like we went bigger turbo and then
like it sounds good from like the outside, and it's, you know, it's a nice piece. Like it's good to look at.
Yeah, it for sure it looks amazing. And if you want loud and obnoxiously loud, then it's a great exhaust.
Yeah.
It sounds so good. It's just like personal preference. If you want to like drive your car and not get a headache after like 30 minutes or something, then it's not really for you. But if you just like, I don't know, like you drive only on the weekends, you barely drive it here and there and do pulls, then it's a great exhaust. Yeah,
for sure. Yeah, because it would get like old, and then that's the thing that, like I mentioned, in the RK exhaust, like it's a nice piece, but it's just like if you drive it so much, it gets old.
Yeah, it's like, damn, it's so freaking loud, I can't think.
Right.
And then like, you know, your significant other would be like, why is it so freaking loud in this thing? I can't think.
And then yeah, you can just get on the highway, get on the left, and then you'll see the on ramp.
Yeah, I see.
All right. I'm scared.
It's not that bad. You can already hear it.
Holy fucking shit, dude. That footage was probably really bad with me trying to focus on the freaking tachometer, but dude, that pulls so hard,
insane.
dude.
Just watch the brake boost though. To 60 here, we'll do 60.
Holy shit. Dude, oh my god, man. Dude, that sounds like, yeah, it's not that loud too.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
Yeah, like it sounds like a regular car that's screaming like it wants to go. I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah. Dude, that, I'm convinced, man. Your dad called it too. He's like, yeah, you're gonna want to switch once you hear it.
Dude. Yeah. It's I don't know. I'm speechless about it too. It's mine. Like I don't know what to say. Like,
Yeah. No, this is, man, first time whenever we did that video on your car, so like part 1, I was like, man, I'm hella jealous of this car because it's like white, pretty much like
Yeah.
TEs, you know?
yeah.
But dude. So if you guys are not aware, you have a KLM 6870. This is a 6-port car, tuned on Ecutech, and then tuned by body.
Sir, yes,
Are you gonna turn it up
By the
whenever he
best.
gets here in August?
Of course. I'm going for all the beans. All
Oh,
the beans.
shit,
I
man.
want all of them. Awesome.
Because how many pounds is this?
Last time they said it was, I think they said it was like 30, 40, something like that.
Dude,
I don't
that's
remember
34.
exactly.
That pulls so fucking hard, dude.
But yeah, I mean, now I want all the sauce. Is it really ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Dude, oh my god, man.
That's a brake boost.
Dude, that hits so hard.
It just goes. You get the servo.
Yeah, this is like, I would say this is
Really fast.
really fast, like nice and clean
Yeah.
setup. So got a custom 4-inch exhaust coming through a Vibrant muffler, really nice. You want to give a shout out to the guys who made the exhaust?
Godzilla Raceworks.
Yeah, this thing's a beast. So I don't know. We'll dyno this car. I'm gonna do a dyno video once body's actually here in Dallas, so you guys can see what the Dallas Supra scene looks like and the kind of sauce that we're able to put down. There's literally no drone.
Yeah, this quiet. Fucking love this exhaust.
Yeah, I'm convinced, man. This is definitely like the ideal. It's got like that rumble,
Yeah,
but it's not like
It's not like obnoxious. I don't know how to. It's not like like vibrating the whole car either. It's like
right.
and they made sure that like to make the exhaust and like they ask you how far out you want the exhaust tip to stand out or like, and they're really good at building exhaust because they made sure that no vibrations, no rattling anywhere. They're really good about it. So
Yeah, there's no vibrations at all.
yeah, they do great work.
I mean, I'm definitely convinced. So probably one of the exits you could just like roll back around. But yeah, I'll probably be doing this post-processing, like just adding shots of the exhaust setup and how it looks like. But yeah, make sure you guys follow Matt on Instagram if you haven't already.
Yes, sir. Dang_A91.
There you guys go, so you guys can see where this the progress of the car and the different things. So it's cool to see kind of the progress. Since first video was just you just put the turbo kit on, it wasn't like buttoned up, but now experiencing it, man, it's like
it's crazy.
Worth the wait.
Yeah, for sure. And I can't wait to get even more. So like right now, it's fun, it's cool, but I wanna. My goal is to hit 1,000. That's my goal.
I mean,
And I think I'll call it a day after that. I don't think I'll really need more than 1,000. I just want 1,000 just so I can say, hey, I have 1,000.
see, times are different now, man. Back in the day, people were like
500.
500,
yeah.
I'm good. Now people are like 1,000, then I'll be good.
Yeah.
It's probably
Let's see if this beaver wants to mess around. I mean, we just a little trap.
this dude be bullying cars on the road.
I mean, if they want it, they can get it. But if they don't want it,
blur, like my camera's not even focusing.
Run it again? He wants to run it again?
Alright. Later. Dude, it's like he was stopped. Oh my god, dude! Holy shit!
Does he want it again?
Nah, he just got behind you. He don't want.
You don't want it.
He didn't want some.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit.